Jackie is in quilting business and she would love to find a wholesaler for her quilt fabrics. I'm looking for a wholesale on fabric for my quilts. So the question is, how do you go about finding a wholesaler? I'm looking for a wholesale on fabric for my quilts. Alibaba.com is the best place to look for wholesale quilting fabric. Keywords that you look for are printed cotton, quilting fabric, DIY, Christmas printed fabric, and the like. Contact the suppliers and place an order. Even though it sounds simple, it is still work. So there are certain steps that you have to do, and you have to bring with you a lot of patience, but still you can handle that. If you need help, you can make use of our sourcing services, of course. An interesting quilting proposition that I believe is very interesting is to make your very own quilting prints. So those very own quilting prints of yours. Hi Cynthia, very good to see you. Let's go for 10,000 likes today. Ghost Keeper, hey, hello. If you have questions about your fashion business, please type them in the comments. So let's see. A very interesting proposition for everyone who is in quilting is to create her very own prints. And these very own prints will totally set you apart from the competition, because at this point in time, when you go to Alibaba.com and you source for your quilting fabric, everybody else and her mother can go to the very same supplier and purchase the very same fabrics. It means that they do not really have to purchase it from you. They can also go and source it directly, right? And they can also model the very same business that you are doing, selling the very same things. So in order to avoid that, what you do is you develop your very own prints. And in one of our previous Q&As, I have mentioned an idea of selling a project package with different fabrics for one particular project. So imagine that all these packages you are selling in the framework of your courses, quilting courses, all these packages, they contain only your own prints. So if you do that, it will make it extremely attractive for women, first to join the course to get this package, and the second one, this package will become a very good gift for DIY friends and family, right? Because you obviously cannot buy this fabric anywhere else. So for competitors, it will be extremely difficult to copy your print. Why that? Because you require several things to start printing on fabric. The first one is you have to have suppliers. And no, Alibaba is good to source the products that are already made, but it is still a difficult place. I mean, I'm not saying that this is a wrong place, but it is a very difficult place to get a customized product done. Why is it difficult? Because it's nerve-wracking for someone who is not in sourcing and in production. For those competitors of yours, when they will go and try to make the very same fabrics, first, they will not have the suppliers. Second, they will not know on what fabric to print. And third, they will have no clue how to handle digital print, because all these three components require professional knowledge. So at the moment that you are ready to start printing your very own prints, Jackie, please let me know. Simply write an email to support@quantumfactory.net. This email is also listed in our About section on this channel, and let me know that you are ready to start sourcing with us, and then we will help you to create your very own quilting prints. If you are not in the Fashion Business Mastermind yet and you absolutely need help with your fashion business, please grab the link in the description under this video or in my bio and join 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind. In these 14 days, you will do more for your business than you have done in the past 3 years. This is a fact confirmed by our members over and over again.